Hello, Bowen Island. It's May 15th, and it's your Mayor Gary Ander here with the weekly update. I wanted to mention a bylaw that we adopted last council meeting. This is the alternative tax collection bylaw, and it allows the municipality to change how we charge penalties on unpaid property taxes. We did this to provide some relief to taxpayers who may be struggling financially due to the circumstances of COVID-19 pandemic and may not be able to pay all their taxes by July 2nd. In a normal year, a 5% penalty is applied to unpaid taxes in July, and a second 5% penalty is applied to unpaid taxes by the end of August. This year, a 2% penalty only will be applied to unpaid taxes on July 3rd, and a second 8% penalty will be applied on September the 1st. Now, this applies to residential property taxes only. There are different reliefs for commercial property taxes. Please contact our finance department if you would like more information. This is a long weekend coming up, and I want to remind you to avoid non-essential travel to other communities. As the weeks go by and as we see a continued decline in new cases of COVID-19, the province may ease up traveling within BC. But for now, we have to stay close to home. I encourage our community to use our beautiful parks, trails, and beaches with those from your household and at a safe physical distance from others. On that note, we've done everything in our power to discourage non-essential travel to Bowen Island, such as for tourism and recreation. And the province and BC Ferries have issued strong statements reinforcing this message that now is not the time to be visiting small communities. We need to keep holding the line just a little bit longer. Regardless, our COVID Rangers will be in the Cove all weekend, keeping an eye on things and helping to educate about safe physical distancing. Next week, we may see the beginning of phase 2 of the BC Restart Plan. And once again, I encourage you to take a look at what will be reopening and when. One of the key principles for everyone going forward is to stay informed, be prepared, and follow the public health advice. I can't reinforce enough the fact that yes, we've been at this for about 8 weeks now, and it's been very tough, and it's been a huge struggle for a lot of people, and everybody would like it to be over. Unfortunately, the reason we're here and we're being able to ease up a bit is because we've practiced social distancing and we followed the guidelines of the provincial government. The social distancing, the fact that nobody's traveling, trying to isolate at home, and generally being aware of the situation we're in. So let's not give that up too quick. The provincial government's COVID website is gov.bc.ca/COVID-19. And that is where you can get all the most up-to-date information about the Restart Plan. One more thing I wanted to mention is that the provincial government is conducting a survey of all British Columbians. They want to hear how you and your family have been affected by COVID-19. Your story will help shape our future, and I encourage all Bowen Islanders to take the survey and provide your valuable input. That's on this BC Centre for Disease Control website at bccdc.ca. And in closing again, Bowen Island, I would like to say thank you very much. I am so proud of the great job you're doing here on Bowen Island. Let's keep it up. It's good for the community. We're going to keep a close eye on people coming onto our island. That's the big drive for the weekend. I'll be down there for a couple of days just seeing how the numbers are shaping up, but that's something we have to be very careful of. Thank you again. Keep it up, stay strong, and stay safe. Nice chatting.